Namaskar, Adab, hello, welcome to Baku. So, we are going to Baku, the city of hospitality and culture. So, here we are booking our stay. So, let's look at our hotel. So, it is WinterPark Hotel Baku. It is located just at a walking distance from Baku city center, and you can see how the great lobby is. It's big sized, lots of sitting space, and a very welcoming staff. So you can have a look of this common lobby, and the feature of this hotel is that it is very conveniently located near the Nizami street. The Nizami street is famous pedestrian and shopping walking street of Baku. Let's take a look on our room. So we are opening our room. So how it looks, a comfy queen size beds with a small sit out and a view. We are going in to our room and having the look of our room. So you can have a look how it looks. I am giving a complete review of my stay in Baku. So we stayed here for 2 nights and 3 days. So we have a view of city with the flame towers and partial sea view. It used to look very great at night. Now the staff, the welcoming staff of our hotel is explaining our hotel. See the bathrooms. They are well equipped with bathrobes, toiletries, and all the necessities we should have in this. So please have a look on this bathroom, and you can also book your stay if you really want to live near Old Town and Nizami Street. So we have a view of Old Town as well, Nizami Streets. I am checking the comfort of the bed. So let's look up outside lobby of our room. Now we are getting out of the hotel towards Nizami Street. Again we are having the breakfast with a view. It is on the top terrace floor. We have chosen this hotel due to lot of vegetarian varieties in this as compared to other nearby hotels. So you can have the look of the sit out in the restaurant area of breakfast with a view. So I am having a breakfast with a view, and there is a very colorful and very ample sitting place in this breakfast area, so that is you will not feel crowded or squeezed up. So please have a look of the view also with the breakfast. Now we are taking you to the breakfast table, a buffet arrangement, lots of local fruits, local handmade jams, organic fruits, and cheese, as Azerbaijan is known for very exotic fruits, cherries, strawberries, cheese. And see, you can have my look here. Here I am having my breakfast, and then we will go out for our day trips. So lots of vegetarian varieties as compared to nearby hotels. In night this area looks like this, which is converted to buffet dining area. So now I am taking you to the Nizami street. It is a walking street, and it is very much 5 minutes walk away from this hotel. So now you let me know do you really want to book this hotel when you go to Baku. And this is a very affordable 4-star property near the city center, and I really enjoyed here because due to the comfort, closeness to the tourist attractions. So let me know your views in the comments about this hotel. Let's enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe us and share with your friends too.